Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Agartantra and Vidyavedika, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will learn another topic from forensic medicine and toxicology, that is mechanical injury. What is the mechanical injury? First of all, its definition. The medical definition of injury is defined as any discontinuity or breach in the anatomy of the body. Its legal definition as per section 44 IPC is injury is defined as any harm caused illegally due to the person, that is to his body, mind, reputation or property. Classification. Injury can classify into the following categories. First of all, etiological. It depends on the method of cause, like mechanical or thermal. Then severity. There are two types of injury on the basis of severity, that is simple and grievous injury. The moment of death, it is classified into two categories, that is antemortem and postmortem. While the medical legal aspect, the injury can classify into suicidal, homicidal, accidental, defense and forced or false or fabricated or fictitious injury. Mechanical injury. The injury caused by application of physical violence to the body are known as mechanical injury. Types of mechanical injury. First of all, abrasion, then contusion, laceration, incision, stab wound, and firearm injury are the types of the mechanical injury. What is abrasion? It is defined as the superficial injury on superficial layer of the epithelium of the skin or on mucous membrane. It is caused by hard, blunt, and rough object. Characteristics. The site of abrasion is site of impact. The site of abrasion corresponds to the size of object. The shape of abrasion corresponds to the shape of object. It heals rapidly in the 1 to 2 weeks. After healing, there is no scarring. Then types of injuries like scratches, sprays, pressure, and pattern injury. These are the type of abrasion. Then medical legal aspect. Most of these injuries are accidental. Sometimes it is homicidal or suicidal. Then types of weapon should be determined. Also cause of injury, direction of injury, time of injury, and age of injury can be determined to medical legal aspect. Then contusion. It is the collection of blood due to rupture of blood vessels caused by application of mechanical force. It is present subcutaneously or under mucous membrane. It is caused by hard and blunt objects. Characteristics. Here in contusion there is no swelling occurs, no color changes seen, then may be associated with laceration known as contused lacerated wound. Then it heals in 1 to 2 weeks. Then site of injury may be site of impact. Then types of injury. Type of contusion are superficial, uh, which may be immediate after impact and due to the accumulation of fluid or blood simultaneously. Then some subcutaneous type of contusion. It is subcutaneous impact and blood at the edges and a raise above the skin. It is called as infiltration. Then deep contusion. The bleeding deeper to the subcutaneous tissue. It may take hour or 1 to 2 days to appear at the surface. Then factors influencing the contusion. The factors like age, sex, complexion, vascularity of the part, and amount of force are the influencing factor for contusion. Then a difference between contusion and PM lividity. PM lividity is the blanching positive up to 6 hours, while bruise no effect of pressure pressing the area with the thumb. PM lividity postmortem phenomenon, while bruise is the antemortem phenomenon. Postmortem lividity present only on dependent part of the body, and bruise may be present anywhere on the surface. Postmortem lividity features of the inflammation present absent, while the inflammation is present in the bruise. Medical legal aspect to know time since death, position of the dead body, whether dead body is shifted. Then bruise medical legal importance is to know nature of injury, type of weapon, and age of the injury. Then laceration. It is defined as the injury caused by the heavy, hard and blunt object, involving damage to the some deeper layer and deeper body parts. Example, dermis, muscle, bones, and internal viscera. Characteristics of laceration. It is a deep injury. Site of injury is site of impact. Shape of injury is irregular. Fracture is involved in it. Is in 4 to 8 weeks by the scar formation, and sometimes it may lead to the death due to injury to internal viscera. Then type of laceration. Split laceration. It is the injury result when the perpendicular force gets on the body surface. It also look like inside wound. That is why it is also known as inside looking laceration. Then another type of laceration is stretch laceration. Here the injury result due to the tangential impact of the force on the body surface. Then third is avulsion. It results from the impact being parallel to the body part so that a flap of uniform thickness is raised. Then tear, it is a result from irregular directed impact, and after that cut laceration. It is result from the blunt and rusted edges of the weapon or by the metal sheet. Then incision. The injury is caused by the sharp object when the weapon is stuck or pressed and down across the body part. Its characteristics are caused by the sharp edge weapon or object. Blood vessels are cut, which may lead to more bleeding. Nerves are cut. Muscles are also cut. Then shape of injury is linear, usually elliptical or spindle shape. Then width of injury is more than thickness of the blade. Due to the elasticity of skin, process is known as gapping of the wound. Then types of the incision. It is of two types. That is, first of all, hesitation wound, and then another type is a choke wound. Hesitation cuts are name is derived from the hesitation of which a person has while giving a suicidal cut. The site are neck, wrist, and ankle. These cuts are linear, parallel, superficial, multiple cuts at the beginning. While cut wounds are injuries caused by the violent blow with the heavy, sharp cutting object, injuries on the vital organs may lead to the death. Then stab wound, which is also called as a puncture wound. It is injury caused by sharp and pointed object when the tip thrust into the body part. Its characteristics are caused by the sharp, more or less pointed long object. It is deep and is greatest dimension. Deepness is its greatest dimension. Then shape of the wound of entry depends upon the nature of blade. Then direction of assault can also known as by combining tool entry and exit. Then commonest cause of the death is injury to the internal viscera. Then healing is usually by scarring. In stab wound, the injury generally bigger than the wound of exit. Then types of stab wound. There are four types. First of all, puncture wound, the wound in which depth is the greatest dimension. Second is penetrating wound, when the sharp point of the object penetrates on the body cavities. Then perforating wound, the sharp tip of the weapon perforate the body to make the wound of entry and wound of exit. Then concealed puncture wound. It is the puncture wound which is hidden. These are not easily seen and always homicidal. Then firearm injuries. These are from the gun or revolver. Uh, Firearm injuries are seen in the next lecture in detail. Thank you.